Hello guys, I welcome you all to my channel Engineers Academy. In this particular video we are going to learn how to find the solution of linear equation with two unknowns, or we can say that how to solve a system of equations with two unknowns. So there are two methods basically. One is the elimination method and the other one is the substitution method. So we will take these two equations as an example, or we can say that we will take this system of equations and we will apply both of these methods to find the solution of this system of equations. So what does we mean by the solution? We mean that what will be the value of x and y that will satisfy this equation. If we put the value of x and y such that we get 8, then that particular values of x and y will be the solution of these two equations. So the first method is the elimination method. So what we do in the elimination method is that first of all we decide that one of the variable we want to eliminate. We select one of the variable to eliminate. So in this particular case I want to eliminate y first. So let's say if you want to eliminate y, we will try to have the same coefficient with that particular variable. So what I need to do is that I need to multiply this first equation with plus 2. So then we will have the same coefficient for y. So I will multiply this equation 1 with plus 2. So if I multiply equation 1 with plus 2, the updated equation will be 2x plus 4y, and 2 into 8 is 16. So we will multiply this with x, 2x, 2 into 2y is 4y, and 2 into 8 is 16. So 2x plus 4y equals to 16. So this is the updated equation 1. Now the coefficients of y, since we want to eliminate y, the coefficient of y in this particular equation and the coefficient of y in this equation is 4, which are now equal. So after that what we will do is that we will add this particular equation with this equation, that is equation 2. So now I will add equation 2 with the updated equation 1. So 3x minus 4y equals to 4. So we will add both of these. So now if I add both of these, so as we can see that plus 4y, this plus 4y minus 4y, they will cancel out each other. So this cancels out. And we are left with 3 plus 2. This is 3 plus 2x. So this will become 5x. And this will become plus 0 equals to 20. Or we can say that 5x equals to 20. Now divide both sides of equation by 5. We will get x equals to 4. Now we got the value of x. Now we want to find the value of y, so we need to put this x value in one of these two equations. So either we can put this x value in this equation, or we can put this value in this equation in order to get the y value. So let's put this x value in equation 1, which is x plus 2y equals to 8. So I will write x so that will be x plus 2y. Let me write that this is x plus 2y equals to 8. Now we will substitute x value, which is 4. So 4 plus 2y equals to 8. Subtract 4 from both sides of equation. So we will get 2y equals to 8 minus 4. And that will be 2y equals to 8 minus 4 is 4. And now divide both sides of equation by 2, so we will get y equals to 2. So now the solution is x equals to 4, y equals to 2. So now substitute this x and y value in both of these equations, and these two values need to satisfy these two equations. So if I put x equals to 4 and y equals to 2 in this equation, we need to get 8. So if I put x equals to 4, that is x equals to 4 plus 2, y value is 2. So 4 plus 4, we get 8. So these two values satisfy equation number 1. Similarly, if I put these two values in this equation 2, we need to have that sum equals to 4. So that is 3 into x value is 4 minus 4, y value is 2. So this is 3 into 4 is 12 minus 8, we get plus 4. So this means that the x and y value which we got as a solutions is the right solution, since both of these values satisfy these two equations. So this is the elimination method. So as a summary, in elimination method, we select one of the variable to eliminate, and then we equate their coefficients. Then we add or subtract those two equations from each other, and ultimately we eliminate that particular variable, and we get the value of the second variable, that is x in this particular case, and then we substitute that x value in one of the equation, and then we get that eliminated variable value. So this is the elimination method. Now in the substitution method, what we do is that we find or we can say that we separate one of the variable from the equation. Let's say that again we have those two variables, that is those two equation, which is x plus 2y equals to 8, and then we have the second equation, that is 3x minus 4y equals to 4. So now let's say if I separate this x from this equation, so we can add minus 2y to both sides of equations. That will be x plus 2y minus 2y equals to 8 minus 2y. So 2y minus 2y, they will cancel out, so we will have x equals to 8 minus 2y. So now what we did is we have separated that x variable from equation number 1, and now what I will do is that I will substitute this x in that equation 2. So that equation 2 is 3x minus 4y equals to 4. Now x is equal to this, so this is 3 into 8 minus 2y minus 4y equals to 4. Now we will multiply this, so this 3 into 8 is 24, and 3 into 2 is 6. So that is, we will have 24 minus 6y minus 4y equals to 4, and this is 24, and minus 6y minus 4y, this is minus 10y equals to 4. And if we subtract 24 from both sides of equation, so we will have minus 10y equals to 4 minus 24 minus 10y, and this will be minus 20. Now divide both sides of equation by minus 10. So this is minus 10 and minus 10. So this is, we will have y equals to plus 2, which is exactly equal to that value which we got from the elimination method, that is y equals to 2. Now again, put this y value in one of these two equations, either this equation or this equation, or we can put it in this equation as well, since this is the alternate form of that particular equation. So now x is equal to 8 minus 2y, put this y equals to 2 in this equation, we will get the value of x. So now the value of x is, we can say that x is equal to 8 minus 2 into y. Now y value is 2, this is 8 minus 4, and we get plus 4. So x is equal to plus 4. Now again, the solution of these two equations is x equals to 4, y equals to 2. So this is the elimination method, and this is the substitution method. I hope this will help you in your learning. Do subscribe Engineers Academy for such more tutorials related to mathematics.